Hi everybody, this is ET, your bilingual tech for Los Fresnos CISD. I am here to share October's backpack challenge, and it is Google Forms. Yay! Let's go ahead and start. You will go to your Google page, and if you are logged in like I am already on my computer, your information will already be there. I am using my Los Fresnos CISD district email, which has been linked to Google. I'm not using my own personal Gmail. If you have not made that transfer, if you have not changed your password, reset your password to Active Directory, please give us a call to our office. You can contact Renee or Dr. Jesse, and we can support you with that. We also have videos. Here we go. I am going to go to my Google Apps. Going to click on that. I am searching for forms. As you can see, I don't see forms here. I used to panic, but now I don't because I will click on more. And there it is, forms. Once I am in forms, I can decide if I want to create a worksheet, a blank quiz, an exit ticket, an assessment, or if I want to start with a blank one. I usually start with one that's already created, and then I just basically delete what I want or what I don't need, or I add just because it's kind of prepared for me. But these are basically the same. There's nothing very different from them as far as having to create something new or know something more. I'm going to start with worksheet. Now this worksheet, the goal for me is to send it out as a survey to many people. Even though it has the title worksheet, I can change that. If you look up here, I have the color palettes. If I don't like what they have chosen for me, I could always change it. I click on it. I can change the color. I can change the background to make it my campus or my district. The preview is a big eye, and when you click on the preview, you will be able to see what others will see once you send it out. And then, of course, here is the settings where you can go more into detail on your worksheet or survey. And for me, this is going to be a survey. I am going to type it survey training October. Right below it, in a different language, there's somebody wrote something. I am going to type in my instructions that I want the reader to have, whatever that might be. Now here they have a name, again, because this is kind of like a worksheet, but I'm tailoring it to make it my own. I don't want it to be a name, I want it to be a question. So my question could be, what is your favorite candy for Halloween? For October, excuse me. On the right, I can choose. You see up here where it says short answer? I can choose what kind of answer my readers can give me. I can choose a short answer, a paragraph, a multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, and the list goes on and on. I'm going to give them a multiple choice, which means they can only choose one. If I choose the drop boxes, it could be more than one. One of my options will be, it could be gum. My other option could be candy corn, and then my other option could be chocolate. If you see here how I have other, and that's because I accidentally added to the add option button. So because I have it this way, whoever is completing this survey is able to click on other and write in their own word. I can also choose here at the bottom if this is a requirement for the survey or if it's not a requirement. If I decide I don't want this question, I can delete it. If I want to duplicate the question, usually I do that, and then because of the format, but I change the questions and then the answers. Again, this is super short because I'm trying to keep it under 5 to 6 minutes. Once I am ready to preview it, I click on preview, and this is what the other person will see once they get it. You see here, survey training October, the instructions. Red means required. They have to complete one of these answers. If I decide, you know what, I need to fix it, I need to add something or delete something, I can go back to edit. Once I am ready to send it out, I click on send, and don't panic, it's not going anywhere yet. You can choose if you want to send it out as an email, if you want to send it out as a link, or if you want it as an HTML. If you're sending it out as an email, you're going to invite them to submit this for you, include form in an email. It just depends what you want. And again, once they receive it, it'll be like this. I challenge you for October to try and go into your G Suite and create anything you want with Google Forms, whether it be a flyer, a worksheet, exit ticket, and a survey. They're a lot of fun and they're super easy to create. Activate.